Din sugun kumpul. Mantap itu.
Apa sugun?
Sugun buah.
Saya enggak tahu dah.
Iya dah tadi. Alka. Ini
Ini gue nasi.
Hai guys, oke kembali lagi di channel saya. Oke, di konten kali ini saya mau bongkar pak ini ya. Ini pak sih guys, ya pak busi, tempat busi ini. Ya sekarang dan hari ini saya mau bongkar ini ya, karena ini sudah berapa lama guys gak dipakai ya, karena kurang enak ya. Ya makanya saya akan bongkar di bengkel aja ya, biar gak gimana tuh. Oke, biar kita agak lama-lama, kita lanjut ke videonya aja.
A few moments later.
hours till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Oke, segitulah video dari saya. Kurang lebihnya ya gua minta maaf. Ya karena ini menurut saya ini kurang enak guys, meski diperbaiki ya, karena ini harus bloknya harus minta diganti guys. Ya seharga 650 guys. Ya gua kan bawa uang berapa ya, 300 ya, jadi nggak gimana ya, ini uangnya kurang jadi gua agak sempet beli paknya guys. Oke, yang udah nonton jangan lupa subscribe ya.